Introducing Premier Dental's MultiMatch Flow Chameleon Antimicrobial Composite with BioArmor. MultiMatch Flow Chameleon Composite is formulated with BioArmor Antimicrobial Protection. One of its main ingredients is called octenadine dihydrochloride, a fast-acting, broad-spectrum cationic surfactant that disrupts microbial cell membranes, providing a rapid and lasting antimicrobial effect. As a result, it reduces bacterial load and demineralization. MultiMatch Flow indications for use include direct restorations in all cavity classes, as a base or liner under direct restoration, veneering of discolored anterior teeth, splinting of mobile teeth, extended pit and fissure sealing in molars and premolars, repair of composite and ceramic veneers, retention of thermoplastic aligners. The MultiMatch Flow Nano Hybrid formula offers optimized handling, easy flowing, self-leveling for smooth placement, and excellent adaptation, even in micro preps and tight margins. Low shrinkage plus strong physical properties helps maintain marginal integrity and long-term durability. Proprietary Easy Blend Shade Simplicity. One universal shade that blends to match the 16 Vita Classical A1 through D4 shades. MultiMatch Flow's key differentiator is BioArmor Antimicrobial Protection, its built-in defense against acid challenges. BioArmor is effective against a range of pathogenic microorganisms, such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses that make up biofilm. A positively charged component of BioArmor, octenadine dihydrochloride, leaves the composite surface and enters the biofilm. It penetrates the negatively charged microbial cell membranes, disrupting their integrity and causing leakage of vital contents, ultimately leading to cell lysis and death. As it diffuses through biofilm, it kills bacteria and critically disrupts fungus and virus, stopping them from growing and multiplying. This process continues as octenadine dihydrochloride diffuses through the biofilm. Normal oral hygiene will remove the biofilm and detritus. This protective process works continuously for the life of the restoration, with proven activity across a broad pH range of 2.5 to 10.4. Confocal microscopy images show composites bonded to human teeth. Samples were stained to show live bacteria, green, and dead bacteria, red. The testing confirms that MultiMatch Flow with BioArmor kills bacteria on the composite surface and surrounding area. In contrast, a composite without antimicrobial technology shows bacteria thriving. BioArmor's ability to kill microorganisms helps significantly reduce demineralization. The Zurich biofilm model test results demonstrate that MultiMatch Flow performed nearly 5 times better than a composite without BioArmor. BioArmor transforms MultiMatch Flow from a passive material into an active, long-term protective system. Premier Dental, inspired solutions for daily dentistry.